Question 11 narrows the scope of our search a little bit. It tells us that R is going to be the second song performed. What I'd like you to do is pause the recording and see if you can figure out which of the four frames should we be looking at. If you identified the top right and bottom right game boards, great work. So what we need to do now is see what or which of the answer choices could be true in either of these two scenarios. Answer choice A would have the first song performed on the keyboard, the K. That's not possible. Answer choice B would have the third song performed on the G. That's also not possible. Answer choice C would have F performed third. Again, that's not possible. Answer choices D and E are a little bit different though. Instead of placing specific songs or instruments in specific locations, answer choices D and E assign songs to instruments. So let's take a look. Answer choice D has N performed on the G. If we look in the top right frame here, N is not performed on G here. If we look at the bottom right frame here, N is not performed on the G here. Answer choice D is also not possible. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice E would have the R performed on the G. And while that's not necessarily true in both scenarios, it is true in at least one of the scenarios. It could be the case. And that's enough to satisfy the question. So it could be true that R is performed on G, and answer choice E is the correct answer.